Good morning, classmate. Especially to you, Ma'am Mulanda, subject instructor. Our topic for today is all about capital city of Taiwan. It is Taipei. Ito eh. First letter is all about the non-businesses in activity in Taipei. Letter A. Here po siya. Non-businesses in Taipei is a bustling city with a lot of economic activity. According to the Taipei city government, the number of company registration total capital continue of stable growth in 2023. Some of the main industries in Taipei are electronics, information technology, biotechnology, finance, and tourism. The city of Taipei has a large pool of talented and innovative ICT professional. Taipei is also a great place enjoy some team building activities with your religious or partner. You can try hiking, food tours, tasting ceremonies, laser tags, skiff rooms, amazing weekends, animals shelter, volunteering, karaoke, cooking, and classes for courting and other. Taipei is ito po yung mga a lot of city of capital city of Taiwan. Ang kalapong ito po ay karamihan ay mga IT businesses activity, mga computer technology po. And B is human capital resources in Taipei. The human capital type in Taipei. Yan po ang capital naman ng Taipei. That's mean it's Taipei human capital of resources refers to the skill and knowledge. Diba guys, ay matatalino at mga tao dito at mga talented. Gaya lang po nito. Yan. Talented refers to the skills and knowledge and abilities to the people who work in a organization or region. It is an important factor for economic growth and development. Dito po na tinatrain lang mga tao na mag-aral at magsikap para sa knowledge for more talent and skill, big possible to growth economy and enhance government and improve our community. That's good. Taipei has a population of about 2. Taipei cities is have a 2.6 Filipinos peoples with a literacy rate of 99.7 and average life expectancy of 83.4 years. So daming tao po dito sa sentro ng Taiwan, kahit maliit na po. Next is the permanent educational institution. Ito po siya guys. Like example po is a university in Taipei. The university in Taipei. Taipei. The national universities in Taipei. Ito po siya guys. Taipei is a major prominent education institution. The city of Taipei is a home to many prestigious universities such as National Taiwan University. ito po guys ay National Taiwan University. Focuses sila sa computer and technologies. Taipei is a major hub for the information of communication technology. Pinapokus nila guys tong university sa di lang sa mga activity or games, pinapokus din lang ito sa sa computer and computer information technology, ICT industry, which account for about 16% of Taiwan's GDP. There's a lot of guys, Taipei. And next is the next boy, the popular cultural activities. In Taipei, in the city of Taipei, the common cultural activities is a festival. Okay guys, the Sky Lantern Festival. Ito pa ginagawa lang guys tuwing mga December or once in a years lang po ito. Yan po. Sky Lanterns Festival. It's a famous festival and cultural activity in Taipei. And the next, we have one. This is has a vibrant and diverse cultural scenes. The Dragon Festival, which attack many creative and artistic talent. The city has various festivals. Another is exhibition, concerts, and performance throughout the years. Yan guys, ginagawa po lang nun sa Taiwan. Sa Taipei. Famous festival. Dito guys. Dalawa. And the last sample of politics in a global setting. Tapos siya guys. Which means in a Taiwan sample in the Taipei, the Taiwan Relation Relation Act and the Sixth Assurance, which provide the legal and political basis for US-Taiwan relation. US-Taiwan relation. The US has also legal to political basis to increase its arms sales. Guys, we organize high-level visits, constitutional action, and official statement in support of Taiwan security and dignity. So ito po siya guys. Mga sample of political influence in a global setting. Thank you po guys. That's all about.